So once the service video file is completed and it is exported to our folder, we are ready to upload it. There are 3 places that we need to upload it to. First is our YouTube channel, next is our Divine Savior website, and the third is our our Facebook channel, or our Facebook page. So I'm going to show you how to do each of those. So we're going to start in YouTube. So I'm going to go here. I'm actually going to click out of here so we can start from scratch. And that, we'll go to YouTube. Okay, I am going to do a search for Divine Savior West Palm Beach, and there is our channel, so I'm going to click on that. And now I'm also going to make sure I'm logged in so that I have administrative abilities to change. I do. There's the icon that shows that. Now I'm going to go into Manage Videos. Okay, so once again, here are all of the videos that we have. We want to make sure that we keep naming conventions pretty similar. So for this worship service, it's going to be Sunday, 9 a.m. service, dividing line. We're going to say May 9th, 2021. We've already created this one, but I'm going to walk you through the steps anyways. Okay, so we're going to go to Create, Upload Video. Okay, select File. We're going to point it where to look. It's in Sunday services. We're in 5.9. We have service video, and we are looking, here is the 5.9 service video final. Okay, so we're going to upload it like that. Okay. After a second, it's going to start to look like this. Okay, and remember we said the naming convention, I actually forgot it, is Sunday, 9 a.m. service. Okay, line. 9 a.m. service, and it is May 9th, 2021. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste that into the description also. We're going to come back to this description after, but that's good enough for now. Okay, then we go down to the thumbnail section. We click on Upload Thumbnail. Now for this, in order to keep our YouTube channel to look uniform, we have a special thumbnail that we use for our worship services. So we go to Desktop and we go to Needed Slides, and it's this Worship Service on Demand. So every Sunday service has this exact same slide on it, okay? And that's across all of our Divine Savior churches. So the playlist we're going to put that into is Worship Service on Demand. Okay, click Done. Now in the audience section, when it says, is it made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. Obviously we know it is, but it's not, they are not our target audience. So because of that, we click no, it's not made for kids. And then we're done. That's all we have to do there. Here where it has the video link, we're going to copy this because we need that when we go to our Divine Savior website to post it there. We're going to click next. There's nothing we have to do on this video element slide, and there's nothing we have to do on this check slide. Okay, so the next is the visibility. We're going to make it public. Okay, and we are going to schedule it. Okay, so we are going to schedule it for Sunday. Okay, this technically would be the 9th, but since the 9th has already happened, we can't select that. So we'll just select the Sunday. Technically that should say May 9th because it's the May 9th service. And then we're going to do 8 a.m. Okay, so this will automatically schedule it. So it will upload it now, but then it will be scheduled to go public at 8 a.m. on Sunday, technically May 9th, at 8 a.m. Okay, and then we hit schedule. Okay, so now you're going to see it saying that it's uploading. Usually it's a bigger file. This is just a small portion of the file, so but we're pretending that this is the whole file. Usually it takes about half hour to 40 minutes to upload. It says upload complete, but there's still a processing phase that has to go on. So just leave this screen open and let it kind of do its work in the background while you're working on the other two pieces. Okay, so the next one that we're going to do is the Divine Savior website. So that website is dscwestpalm.online.church. Okay, you're going to go to that website. Okay, and then Dawn Schultz is the one who kind of manages all of this, so she's the one who gives you admin privileges to do it. You're going to hit go to admin. That you just X out of. That's just an advertisement and looking for a little survey. Once you're in admin, you're going to go to services over here. Click services. You see all the upcoming services. Okay. We're going to pretend that this is May 9th because that's the video we've been working on. Okay. But it will say it needs video. So you're going to click the 9 a.m. version of it and click edit content. Okay. And all of the details are in there except the video link. You have to add the video link. So you go down to video and it's a URL because we have a YouTube. So what happens is when people go to our website, they actually get directed to our YouTube channel. And that's why we copied that video link. And now we're going to paste it. And then when you click out of that box, it should say valid video URL code. Okay, now you're all set. Pretty much all you need to do. You scroll all the way to the bottom. The 11 o'clock will always automatically be checked, and you want the same changes to apply to the 11 o'clock service. Okay, and then you click save, and the website is all done. Okay, and that one you don't have to wait for it to process or render because it's just sending a link. Okay. So now we're going to go to our Facebook channel, or Facebook page. So we're going to leave this site, and we are going to go to Divine Savior Church, West Palm Beach. Okay, and then we are going to go to Publishing Tools. And in Publishing Tools, we have videos. So we're going to see under here our video library. And here's all of the videos that we've created. Okay. You can see our weekly worship services show up like this. Okay, so the naming convention is a little different. It's the date, worship service. Okay, so we're going to upload a video. Over here, right here, upload video. It's going to be a single video. And we're going to go back to our 5.9 folder, service video. We're uploading the same video. Okay, and our title, you want to match kind of what we've done in the past. Technically, this would be our May 9th, 2021 worship service. We've already done it, which is why it's already showing up there, but that's what it would look like. We're going to copy and put that same thing in the description. Next, we modify the thumbnail. So we click over here on the thumbnail, and we're going to add an image, a custom image right there. And the custom image that we're going to add is that title slide that you created when you were doing the video for the intro that has all of the worship service information right there, okay? As well as our weekly theme slide before it. So you click open, that's the JPEG file, and now that's the custom image that will show right here and to people when they log into our Facebook page, okay? And down here you can see this is how much time, how far it is along in uploading the video. Okay, Then we're going to click next, and all we have to do here is schedule it. So we're going to go to here, hit schedule. We're going to do the date. Once again, technically it would be the 9th. We're going to say the 16th, just pretend that says 9. And we're going to say 8 a.m. Okay, these are our videos on both YouTube and Facebook are scheduled to post at 8 o'clock in the morning. That way, if there's ever any issue, we have time to fix it before 9 o'clock service when people are expecting it. So then at that point, we hit schedule. And now, once again, we just wait for this to be completed. So that will get to 100, and then you will get a message that says your video is ready. I think that's what it says, or something to that extent. And once again, we can go back here and we see that this one is still waiting to process. It hasn't processed, so you just leave those open. But your work technically is done at this point. You do want to come back and make sure that everything is processed correctly and it is truly ready to post in the morning, but in terms of like your work and responsibility, that's done at this point. Excuse me. And you are all done.